Hello students, now I will explain 10th class maths chapter number 14 statistics paper 2 continuation of yesterday's class. So yesterday up to which method I told, deviation method I told. So I gave one example also. Now I will explain again that deviation method example. Why? Because in simplification some students are asking how to simplify. So find the mean for this data. So here in deviation method, either if xi's or fi's are large, we will use deviation method. So this is the data is given. So this first row will become first column, again this second row will become second column. Next, according to deviation method, we will calculate di value. Di means formula is xi minus a. So di equal to xi minus a value you can take in xi value, any value you can take. Otherwise, count number of rows and do divide by 2. So here how much? How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 2 means you will get approximately 2.5 means 3. 3 means what is xi value? 72. So take that 72. Either you can take 67, 70, 73, 75 also, you'll get same final answer, mean answer. You'll get same answer. So now I will take 72. So di means xi minus 72 means xi value how much is there? 67. 67 minus 72. How much? Big number is having negative symbol. So answer will come in minus. So 72 minus 67 is 5. So overall answer is minus 5. Next 70 minus 72. Here also big number is having negative symbol. So answer will come negative. So write minus as it is. 72 minus 70 is 2. Overall answer is minus 2. Next 72 minus 72 is 0. Next 73 minus 72. Here big number is having plus sign. So answer will come in positive. So how much? 1. Next 75 minus 72. So big number is having positive sign. So answer is 3. Now fi di. Fi di. 4 into minus 5 how much? Minus 20. 3 into minus 2 how much? Minus 6. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3. Now find fi value. Add all these values. You can say this value is sigma fi or summation fi or capital N. One and the same. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. That only I wrote here. Fi di means minus 5 into minus 20. Fi di. 4 into minus 5 how much? Minus 20. 3 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 6. 2 into 0 how much? 0. 2 into 2 is how much? 4. 1 into 3 how much? 3. So here minus 20 minus 6 how much? Minus 26. Add all first negative numbers, afterwards add positive numbers. So minus 20 minus 6 is how much? Minus 26. And 2 plus 3 how much? 6. So minus 26 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. So minus 20 minus 6 is minus 26. 2 plus 3 5. So minus 26 plus 5 how much? Big number is having negative symbol. So minus 26 plus 5 how much? Minus 21. So here xi values are large. So here there are 5 observations, that why 5 is odd. Choose a is equals to 72. That's why I have taken a 72. You can take any value, I already told. Here di's are not divisible by same number. So we use deviation method to calculate mean. So what is the formula for deviation method? X bar is equals to a plus summation fi di by n. So a value I already taken 72. Next sigma fi di how much we got? Minus 21. Capital N how much we got? By 12. So do your cancellation. 3 4 the 3 7s are. So how much? Minus 7 by 4. Plus into minus is how much? Minus. So if you do 7 by 4 here, division, 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. So in 4 table 3 won't come. Keep that decimal and write 0. 4 7 are 28. 30 minus 28 is how much? 2. Already point is there, keep 0. For 5 that 20, remainder came 0. So answer how much came? 1.75. Now do subtraction here. So integer and decimal, you should do subtraction like this. 72.00 you should take. Why? Because after decimal two digits are there, that's why here I have taken two zeros. And do minus 1.75. So here 0 minus 5 we cannot take borrow. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. Already borrow taken means 2 will come, and it will, here it will come 1. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. Write 7 as it is. Next, so answer is how much? Mean is equal to 70.25. So next third method is step deviation method. Mean x bar is equal to capital A plus H into summation fi ui by n, where ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So a means assumed mean, h means size of the class, n means sum of frequencies, fi means frequencies. This symbol indicates summation or sigma. So this is also important formula for 2 marks or 1 mark question. You will ask, write the formula for mean in step deviation method and explain each terms, means you should write up to here. So we will see example. Find the mean for the following data xi, fi. So this is the question is given. We will see. So here xi values are large and fi values are small. So what is the difference between deviation and step deviation? I will explain now. So xi values first row will become first column, fi values second row will become second column. So n means how much, how we will get here? We should add all these fi values. 5 plus 10 is 5 plus 0 is 0, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 4 is how much? 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. Write 0 here, 3 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 9 10. So 100 you are getting. Same you should calculate di also here also. Di is equal to xi minus a. So xi minus, here I have taken a value is 900. Why? Because how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 means half of 7 how much? 3.5 means fourth. What is the fourth value? 900. Otherwise some people will say this a value you should take middle value. So middle also we can take. Otherwise we can take any value. You'll get same final answer. So here xi value how much? 800 minus a value how much? 900. 800 minus 900, big number having minus symbol, so answer will come minus 100. 820 minus 900, so how much? Big number is there, negative symbol, so minus 80. 860 minus 900, big number here having negative symbol, right? Negative symbol, and 900 minus 860 is 40. Overall answer is minus 40. Next 900 minus 900 is 0. Next 920 minus 900, big number is having positive sign, so we will get here 20. Next 980 minus 900, same here, big number is having positive symbol, right? 80. Next 1000 minus 900 is 100. Next in step deviation, here next formula is ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So ui is equal to xi minus a, how much we have taken? 900 by 20. Why? Because why I wrote here 20h means I already told size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. So here if you take difference between these two, 820 minus 800, what is the difference is there? 20. So why? Because here we are using step deviation. Here all these numbers goes in 20 table. They are multiples of 20 in xi column. So that's why I wrote here 20. Don't think 820 minus 800 is 20. Why? Because here difference is not same. Here 40 difference is there, again 20, again here 60 difference is there, again here 20 difference is there. So some people will think we should do this difference and we should write here 20. That's why I told before like that. So don't confuse like that. Here all xi values goes in which table? 20 table, they are multiples of 20. 800 is a multiple of 20, 820 also, 860, 900, 920, 980, 1000. So these all are multiples of 20 table. That's why we have taken h is size of class interval how much, 20. Now what we should do means, here what is the value we got, xi minus 900, first value 100, so minus 100 by 20, how much, minus 5. Next minus 80 by 20, minus 4. Next minus 40 by 20, minus 2. Next 0 by 20 is 0. Next 20 by 20 is 1. Next 80 by 20, how much, 4. 24 the 80. Next 100 by 20, how much, 5. In that way you should calculate ui. Next fi ui. Fi ui. So 7 into minus 5 is minus 35. 14 into minus 4 is minus 56. 19 into minus 2 is minus 38. 25 into 0 is 0. 21 are 20. 10 4 are 40. 5 5 are 25. So here now you should calculate summation fi ui. So here already I told before only, first do all negative numbers addition. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So 9. So here 1 carry is there. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is how much, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 129. So minus 129 it is. So here 20 plus 40 is 60. 60 plus 25 is 85. So minus 129 plus 85, how much, minus 44. Why? Because negative number is having big minus symbol. So minus 129 plus 85, how much, minus 44. So here all di's are multiples of same number. So di is also multiples of same number only, that is h is equals to 20. H is equals to 20. So all these di values also multiples of 20. So consider mean is equals to a plus h into sigma fi ui by n. So a value we have taken 900 plus h value how much we have taken, 20 into sigma fi ui value is minus 44 by 100. So plus into minus, minus 20 into 44 by 100. 0 0 cancel. So 2 into 44 is how much, 88 by 10. So this can be written as 8.8. Why? Because 1 0 is there in denominator. So 900 minus 8.8. You should do subtraction like this. Point after 1 decimal means 1 0 should keep. So take the borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9. And borrow taken means one value will become less. So 891.2. So that is your mean. That is your mean. So in this way we will find mean using step division method. So here note, when group or continuous frequency distribution is given, we convert grouped data into ungrouped data to calculate mean. So what is grouped data means, whenever class intervals are given means they are grouped data. So whenever numbers are given like this, numbers are given like this without class intervals, the type of data is known as discrete data or ungrouped data. Whenever class intervals are given like this in questions, they are known as grouped data or continuous frequency distribution. So I will discuss some more problems in next video.